So you have a double chin and you want to try something to get rid of it. Kybella involves giving a bunch of little injections in the double chin area and allowing that medication to damage the fat cells so the fat comes out and they just get absorbed. But you have to think about how it's going to work and what it's going to do for you. If you really want to make this area flat and you want to get a nice sharp jawline and be able to see the angle of your jaw, then Kybella is not going to be the thing that's going to get you that great result. And the reason is that you can't give that medicine perfectly evenly underneath this area, and you can't give it in a way that's going to make a certain shape. All you can do is put it someplace and let it damage the fat cells so they dissolve. And each of those little injection spots is going to have a little bit different concentration of the medicine than the centimeter next to it. And if you imagine that for that whole area here, that means that it's impossible to get the fat that's there to dissolve evenly. Liposuction does not have to be a painful thing. When I do it, I give one little pinch underneath the chin, and then I can get the rest of the medicine in through that. Once it's numb, taking out the fat is really very simple, and patients do it awake all the time. If you look at the other videos on the channel, you will see many other people doing it and having no problem at all, able to sit there and talk and be very comfortable. Kybella can be painful because you have to get a lot of injections at each trip, and you have to do it multiple times. Even after all of the initial effects and swelling and all that have worn off, when you're looking at it, you're just not going to see that really nicely defined jaw and flat area under your neck that you can with liposuction, because you're simply not taking anything out with an injection like Kybella. Now you come to my office and you ask me, what is liposuction like? Then what I can tell you is it's very quick, probably takes around half an hour for just this area. Make a nice jawline. You can really see the angle of your jaw. This area will be flat. It will make you look like you lost 20 pounds, maybe more. It's going to cost you less than almost any other treatment. And the reason is that what I do is a one-time thing. Once you're done, that's it. You wait for that initial swelling to go away, you go about your business, and it looks terrific. If you use other methods, they usually require multiple trips, and when you go there each time, they're doing the same procedure over again. You're not taking more time off of work. You're not having to hide from your friends or your family. You wear a compression garment, which is a little Velcro strap, for about a week to 10 days. Technically, liposuction is surgery, and it's therefore an invasive procedure, but I'm sure if you look at my other videos or if you talk to me about what I'm actually doing, it doesn't sound as invasive as you might think when you're thinking of a surgical procedure. And when you look at all of these things together, comparing it to other ways of getting rid of a double chin, there's really no comparison. Give us a call. I'd be happy to talk to you about it, and you can really see what I can do and what it actually involves, and it's something I think you'll be very happy you found out about.